Preventative maintenance. Inspection and maintenance tasks well planned, under control. Sarah has demanding production targets and therefore wants to make sure that her machine is always in perfect operating condition. An unplanned downtime would jeopardize these targets and result in unplanned, high costs. Thanks to Harro Höfliger's maintenance concept, which is based on the specified DIN standards, downtimes are reduced to a minimum. During the guided machine inspection with a clear listing of all activities, the HH technician never forgets to perform any inspection task. If worn or defective parts are detected, he can mark them directly in the 3D spare parts catalog. These inspection activities are individualized by experts and are precisely related to the product and the process of the machine. Appropriate preliminary planning of inspection and maintenance cycles enables long-term coordination of service assignments and budgets. All inspections and maintenance tasks are documented in a standardized and clear manner, which enables detailed tracking of all activities. This gives Sarah the time and flexibility to implement further optimization needs, and she can fully concentrate on increasing her production output. Should she require support from a mechanic at a later stage, Sarah can use her augmented reality glasses and conveniently establish a connection to her HH technician, who can give her appropriate instructions on maintenance activities. Worldwide service. Harro Höfliger by your side.